In this video, we are going to understand how to calculate number of days between two dates. So whenever you want to calculate the number of days between two specific dates, then all you have to do is you have to use a feature by Pabbly, which is number formatter, where the event would be spreadsheet formulas. Now, how can you do that? To understand that, let me take you to my screen.
Now here you can see we have reached the dashboard of Pabbly Connect software. Now to reach this place, all you have to do is you have to sign up. The link is there in the description box. It is not going to take more than 2 minutes. Once you have done that, click on this tab Create Workflow. And a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name this workflow. Now in this video, we are going to learn how to calculate number of days between two dates. Let's click on Create. As we do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One here is trigger, another one is action. Now, triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action here is the response of your trigger application. Now, what is my objective? Let's say that there is an event registration form, and the moment that form is filled by the user, then I want to calculate the number of days between the start date and the end date of the event. To do so, I'm going to use a feature by Pabbly which is number formatter, but before that, here I'm going to choose my trigger application as Typeform to show you how we can actually do this entire integration. Now the trigger event here would be new entry. Let's click on connect. As we do that, here Pabbly Connect wants to connect itself with Typeform account. Let's select add new connection, connect with Typeform. Now I'm going to click on accept. Once done, we can see that the authorization has been successful. Now here we have to select the form. To do this, first I'm going to take you to my Typeform account. These are the various forms that I've already created, and I'm going to take you to this event creation form that I've just created. Now here you can see these are the following fields that we have in our form: online course name, attendees contact details, start date and end date. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on publish. Here you can see we have received the link of the form. I'm going to copy this, open this here in a new tab. Okay, so here is the form. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here first of all I'm going to select the form which is event creation form, and as I click on save and send test request, here you can see it is asking me to do a test submission so that the response can be captured here. So now this form that we have just opened, we are going to fill up the form. Let's say the name of this course is AI course. Okay. Next we have the attendees contact details. So let's say the first name is demo. Then we have the last name which is user. Here we have to enter the phone number which is, okay. Then we have the email address which is demoUser@pabblytudes.com. Then we have the name of the company. So let's say it is Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on OK. So here we have to enter the start date. Let's say it is June. Then we have 20th of June. And the year is 2023. Then we have the end date. So it is August. And then the day here is 18th of August 2023. Now I'm going to click on submit. So as I have done that, here our form has been submitted, taking you back to Pabbly Connect. Here you can see we have received the response. So here the name of the form is event creation form. Then we have the start date and all the details. Let me take you down here. So yes. Here we have the end date. Then again, as I take you down, we have the start date. This here is the name of the company. Then here we have the email address, phone number, and then here we have the name of the person. Now, once we have received this information, I have to calculate the number of days between the two dates. For this, I'm going to choose a feature by Pabbly which is number formatter. Let's click on this. And the action event here would be spreadsheet formulas. So basically, I'm going to use a formula to calculate the number of days. Let's click on connect. Okay. Now here we have to check this full list here. These are the formulas, the spreadsheet formulas. So as I click on this, I'm going to look for days. And you can see to calculate the number of days between two dates, we are going to use this formula. So I'm going to copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste the same. Now remember, this is the format in which you have to write the date. Also, you have to first write the end date and then you have to separate it with a comma with the start date. Now here I'm going to delete this and I'm going to map the information. How? So we can see the previous step. Let's click on this, and as I take you down here, we have to enter the end date. So this here is the end date. Now I'm going to go here, delete this date, again go here, and this time I'm going to map the start date. Okay, so this here is the start date. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see we have received the response. The number of days between the two dates is 59. So this is how you can calculate the number of days between two dates. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can always write to us.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.